blame me for GearBest. So I'm feeling very nostalgic today because I'm here with this Nokia X5, a new phone that Nokia released earlier this year in July 2018. It is available already at GearBest.com. So I really have a very specific, very special place in my heart for Nokia, the brand, because I've been using this phone since middle school up until high school for like 6-7 years in total, when the period Nokia literally took over the entire cell phone market, even before Apple appeared. I think you guys may already heard of that or already experienced this already. So let's take a look at this box, just the box, and then I'm gonna move it away and actually talk about the phone itself. So we're gonna get into a routine spec first. This is a 5.86-inch full display phone with a 19:9 ratio, very nice right here, with a front camera on top of it at 8 megapixel and a dual rear camera at the back, vertically positioned right in the middle at 13+5 megapixel, fingerprint scanner beneath it. It is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo. It is also an Android One phone. As you guys may or may not know, meaning Android One phone system gives you the quickest update and the access to any updates that Android might have occurred and might have preparing for. It is equipped with a Helio P60 octa-core clocking in at 2.0 gigahertz, 3 gigs of RAM plus 62 gigs of storage that can be expanded with a TF card up to 256 gigabytes. Personally, I am not very satisfied, not very pleased by the RAM and its storage. I mean, compared to other phones in this price range, which by the way, this one costs you around 150 bucks, give or take, depending on the coupons and sale period. But honestly, it's not really sound like a 2018 phone for me. But for me at least, I really think that Nokia, the brand here, the name here, in a way, at least to me, it's a guarantee for quality. So I think that myself, I can actually roll with it. I'm not sure about you guys, but I really think I can deal with it spec-wise. Plus, as I mentioned earlier, it is expandable for up to extra 256 gigs storage with the TF card. So moving on, battery-wise, this is a 3060 milliamps of battery capacity equipped within Nokia X5. So that's pretty much it. That's all I got for the spec-wise. Now I'm gonna go through the another routine for testing it out. And fingerprint scanner first, which I already registered, and then front camera testing, and then actually there are some very interesting functions that is already defaulted in Nokia's camera functions, so let's find out very soon. Before that, before we get to the camera, the fun part, I'm gonna still try out its fingerprint scanner. As you guys can see here, it's locked. Locked, very locked, very much locked. I have my fingerprint on my left hand. As you guys may see, it's very locked, the phone. Now I'm gonna place my finger at the back, at the fingerprint scanner, and there you go. Let's do this again. There you go. It's also super fast. It's not the best, but it's definitely fast enough to actually surprise you. So moving on, unlock it again. I'm gonna try out the very fun part of this video, which is the front camera part. I'm gonna turn towards me, cut. 哎呀，我刚突然一下找不到旋转摄像头在哪里，他妈的！找到了。好，切掉刚才那个。Turn the camera towards me, flashlight off, and camera towards me. Just a regular photo first, very regular selfie, and go. Okay. After that, as you guys might can see, there is a line of icons right here on top of it. There are actually many funny options that you can use. I'm gonna test them all out. I know nowadays it's very easy for you to download an app to just change funny faces, to just do some airbrush on your photos. But it's really nice that Nokia already provides us with this very sweet options. So I'm gonna test from the first one first. Hello! They make me do this against my will. I've been held hostage. No, I'm just joking, but this looks so silly. And you're not following me. switch it back to me. I'm gonna click on this panda. I really like pandas. Okay, it's seeing my face now. There we go. Moving on to the second one. There's a beauty mode available. I'm gonna see how difference does it make. And I'm gonna turn this off and go. I do look a little bit different, like I got better skin, more smooth skin, and brighter tone. It's very pretty. It's not too fake or too overbrushed, which means Nokia actually really put into thoughts and really put into techniques on a natural look, but in a more beautified way of yourself. So moving on to this one, and the next one would be, moving on to this icon. You can see when I select dual, it actually activates both of the cameras, front and rear. I'm gonna test it out, facing towards my cameraman, facing towards my very pretty editor. There we go. Say hi! This is so much fun actually. It's very nice. You don't have to sit like super tight to each other, like face banging against each other's face to actually take pretty photos, to take selfies together. This is really amazing. I'm loving this function a lot. Next one. So I've been spending a lot of time testing out cameras, and this is the first time our pretty editors, who's actually sitting right in front of me right now, actually show her face. So I really do hope you enjoyed this kind of a little bit awkward, but we both enjoyed a lot kind of Nokia X5 video. This is a really nice phone. I love it. It's Nokia. I love it either way. So I did spend a lot of time on the cameras testing and fingerprint scanner testing, and we even get to show our editor, who is actually sit right in front of me right now's face. She's very pretty, very nice. So back to Nokia X5. This is a non-flagship Nokia phone. It has great pricing, it has really functioning specs, and it's Nokia. It's quality guaranteed, and it's only at around 160, 150 bucks at GearBest.com. So that's it for today's Nokia X5. Like and subscribe to our channel, click the link below, and I'll see you next time.